Hello everyone, this is Kuda. So in this video, I'm going to explain how to make money online in 2019. Now, this is a question that a lot of people ask in terms of making money online. So I'm going to do a real favor for you today and show you how to do that. Now, you know, if you're going to ask me how does one make money online, there are thousands of ways of making money online. So the same way that there are different jobs, different careers. Someone is a doctor, someone is a writer, someone is doing this and that in the offline world, is the same principles that applies when it comes to the online world. There are different methods of making money online. Someone is doing blogging, someone is doing affiliate marketing, someone is doing all those other sorts of things. So instead of me telling you what I'm actually doing right now, I thought today, you know what, there is a certain foundation that people need to actually build the foundation, create the foundation, and build upon it. Okay, there's some fundamentals and the basic things that anyone who aspires to make money online should know, or rather I would say should learn. Now, the first thing that you need guidance and mentorship. Like, go this direction, go this direction, go this direction. And there is a lot of people out there that can do that for you. Okay, there are a lot of people that are making money online, and if you just stick around those people long enough, see what they are doing and get them to help you. Like, for instance, I remember the first time that I was actually writing my first emails. I used to suck at writing emails until now. I got this help from a person that I've not met, that I've actually met online instead. They taught me how to do email marketing, which is really something that has changed my online businesses. Now, so number one, you need to understand that there are thousands of ways of making money online. Okay, and one is to build a foundation and build upon it. And number two, you need guidance. I would say mentorship. Okay, you cannot do it alone. Okay, there's a saying that goes, if you need to go far, go alone, but if you need to go further, go as a team. Okay, I love that statement. Now, I've actually an ebook that I've actually added in the description below, which is 100 online business ideas. So this ebook is actually the first thing that you may need to get your hands on. It has got 100 ideas of the certain type of businesses that you can do online, and I'm doing some of them. I'm not doing from the 100 online ideas, I think I'm just doing 3 or 5. Okay, so there's plenty of options that you can actually go through. So I recommend that you find the link below this video and actually download the ebook, and it's going to give you like 100 online business ideas that you can actually look into and consider. So now, once you have an idea, you need people that you can actually share your ideas, your imaginations, people that are actually going to support you. And this leads us to a community that I've been part of, okay, since 2015, a mentorship community. Until this day, I'm actually part of this platform, and this platform has got thousands and thousands of people from all over the world. And these people, all they talk about is none other than different ways of making money online. Some of them, they are newbies, some of them, they are veterans in making money online. And this is where I've actually learned and where I actually hang out a lot. And I'm going to put a link below this video again to the mentorship website, where you can actually connect with thousands of people from different parts of the world, whom you can actually share your ideas. Imagine, one of the things that I've actually faced when I was actually getting started is to tell my friend that, hey, I've started this business online, and my friend would say, that does not quite. But when I actually got hands-on this mentorship platform, I would say, I want to do this, and then at the same time I have someone who's supporting my ideas and my imagination. So basically, that's what you need in 2019 to make money online. So find the links below this video, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment below this video, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. And just subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of my videos. I'll be uploading a number of videos in 2019. So that being said, my name is Kuda. I'm actually signing out, and if you have a success story to share with me, just leave a comment as well. With that being said, bye for now.